This is not the time to be shaken out. In a bull market, dips are for buying. If you have an uptrend, obviously things just can't go parabolic forever. You're going to get somewhat of a doom. In these doom moments, that's when you want to be buying the trend. If I was to show you this Bitcoin chart, I mean, we've been uptrending since 2022. I mean, if we zoom in here, this takes you to November 2022. Each dip, if you would have bought dip, buy, dip, buy, dip, buy, dip, buy, yeah, we might be having a little dip in the market right now. And Bitcoin currently at 93,000. There is a major support level, approximately, I would suggest, and this is really kind of at the lower end, 74,000. But I would suggest that the support is higher than that. I believe that the buying opportunity for Bitcoin actually takes us to about 87 to 88, $89,000. And for Ethereum and the altcoin market, I mean, Ethereum's been performing very well since the start of November. We had this massive run up at the start of November. We're now in this sideways movement. The support at the moment for Ethereum is 3320, you could say, or 3300. Let's call it 3300. And the next support is at $3,000 support. What I want to show you, however, is Ethereum on the bigger time frame. It's forming this cup and handle pattern, which is incredibly bullish. Bitcoin did exactly the same thing and it broke out. I'll show you to the comparison. Ethereum always lags Bitcoin by a few months, reaches all-time high a few months later, it drops a few months later on the bull market top, and you have this huge cup and handle pattern breakout. This is what Ethereum is toying with right now. We haven't had the breakout. We haven't had that big move. We know Bitcoin dominance is now in danger. We're probably going to get a breakdown. We reached 62%. It looks to me like it can't go any further. We know that the altcoin market is about to rally. Total 3. This is all the altcoins, less Bitcoin and Ethereum. Big upward potential there. I mean, I still have my long-term Ethereum trade open. This is on bloFin, by the way. It's a 60x leverage trade. I must say that's quite a risky trade. I wouldn't get into any leverage trades unless you're disciplined and know how to trade. If you want to learn to trade, I have videos, but I've got that trade open. Of course, if you want some free crypto to try out the platforms, link down below, $300 bonus to get you started. Buy a bit. And I recommend to check out CoinGPT as well. This is an AI free tool on Telegram. It can give you the exact key levels you need, stop losses, take profit, bias, and you can use it for any level. So that's the crypto update. Guys, we are in the red. Things have been dropping. You can see we're in a sea of red today, but don't be feared. If you zoom out on the weekly, we're green, the monthly's green, and we might turn to a red week. We might get a red week, but that's good. Buying opportunities. I would be dollar cost averaging in because we're in a bull market, and this bull market's going to last at least another 6 months, and that's for the most pessimistic of crypto investors, traders. If you agree, hit the like button, guys, and check out any one of these videos on screen before you go. Stay bullish.